Minnie's Handbags here. If you guys are new to my channel, or if you are a returning viewer but have not yet subscribed, please consider clicking that subscribe button as well as liking this video. Please also make sure to click that bell, that way you guys are always notified every time I upload a video. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, guys, I am going to be sharing with you guys my Michael Kors purchase. Of course, it is some backpacks that I picked up from Michael Kors. Now, I have been eyeing these backpacks for a little minute now. So when they sold out online, I had to check with my Michael Kors outlet to see if they still had it in stock, and they did. And I actually called the store guys to make sure that they had these backpacks in stock and that they had it in the color I wanted. Now, the sales rep that I spoke to told me that they had it in stock, plus they had the color I wanted. So she told me she could put it on hold for me. So she did. But she also told me that she may not be at the store when I get there. So I said that was fine. So when I get to the store, of course, she had already left for the day, so another sales rep helped me. Now, here's the thing, guys. I took my time when I called her. I gave her the style number of the bag, the name of the bag, plus the color that I wanted. I told her I wanted it in olive. Now, she told me that they had it available, and she put it on in the back on hold for me. Now, the other sales rep goes in there in the back, and she was like, well, I see a bag on hold for you, but it's not in the color olive. And she showed me a totally different backpack that she said the young lady put on hold for me. And I was like, but that's not the style number I gave her or the name. And she was like, well, this was the backpack she put on hold for you. So she asked me, what backpack are you looking for? So the particular backpack that I wanted was on clearance, so I showed her. But they only had, I think, 4 colors available, which is in the color luggage, orange, like a sky blue, and all white. So I told her that was fine. I picked up the 2 colors that I wanted, and I asked her, if you have a factory wrap in the back, can you bring it up front, because that's what I want to purchase. So she said, okay, let me go check. So she checked, she brought back the bags, and I purchased them because they were on sale and they had it for an additional 20% off. Plus I had a coupon for 10% off. So enough rambling. Let me go ahead and share with you guys the backpacks that I picked up. All right, guys. So only one of the bags was actually factory wrapped, and the other one was one of the bags that was just hanging on the floor on display. So I purchased a dust bag for these backpacks. So it is none other than this beautiful Maisie 2-in-1 extra small backpack in the color luggage, y'all. Now, I've been eyeing this backpack for a little minute now. I've been waiting for it to go on sale. And of course, when it went on sale, it sold out. So I was glad that my outlet store had it. So I'm just going to go over the features of this backpack really quick. Now, I knew I was going to love this backpack, y'all, because I have the sling bag version of this backpack, and I have 2 different colors. So it's set up just like the sling bag. You get your detachable card case here in the front. You get the chain detailing. All the hardware on this is in gold, and I love the detailing on this backpack. They have Michael Kors here on the zipper pull here, and this is just what the card case looks like. It does have that signature Michael Kors on the front. It is a magnetic closure. It does have the Michael Kors on the front in gold, and you only get this one slip pocket here, and then you get an additional slip pocket right here. And of course, it does have the features of a backpack that I love. You get your front zipper pocket here, which you get a lot of room. And then you also get your front zipper compartment. Now, this does have the tongue that goes over the zipper, and I absolutely love this. It is on the sling bag like this as well too, and you can still get in and out of this bag very easily, guys. Now, this backpack only comes with 1 slip pocket, and it's on the back wall, but the inside is very roomy. It does come with your top handle. And then here on the back, you do get these padded leather scraps that are adjustable but not detachable, and you also get a little bit of the web scrap here at the bottom. Now this backpack doesn't have any feet on it, but it is an all leather backpack. Now this card case you can detach from the bag, but the chain is not detachable from the card case, so if you want, you could just drop it in there and use that as your wallet. And this front pocket is a magnetic closure, if I did not mention it, and it does have the circle Michael Kors logo on the front as well too. All right, guys, so let me share with you the second backpack that I picked up from Michael Kors. And it is none other than another Maisie in this beautiful orange color, y'all. Now, I didn't mention, but with the 20% off, the luggage color one came up to about $71, and this one came up to about $56, plus the additional 10% off. So let's go ahead and unbag this. All right, so here on the back, you do get the faux leather scraps. They are padded, and you also get the web part of the scrap at the bottom. Now this is not detachable, but it is adjustable. And once again, all the hardware on here is in gold. And it does come with the top handle as well too. And this is the tag for it. Once again, it is the Maisie Extra-Small 2-in-1 backpack. And this orange color is actually called Poppy, okay? And this one was on sale for $56, okay? And this is just what the bottom looks like. Now, y'all, I was so excited to pick this backpack up. I probably will go back and get the blue one because the blue one was absolutely adorable. And I know, like I said, I was going to love these backpacks because I already have the sling bag version of these. So let me know down in the comments, guys, were you able to pick up any one of these backpacks? I know they had these in a variety of colors. I wanted the pink, all leather pink one, but that one was completely sold out. I don't know if they're gonna bring it back in stock. Well, actually they did bring it back in stock, and I missed out on it again, y'all, because they sent me an email, but by the time I saw the email, they were already sold out again. So I don't know if they're gonna restock it again, but even if they don't, I'm still glad I was able to grab these two ones. Now let me know if you guys have any of these backpacks in your collection. If you do, what color do you have, and do you like it, and would you pick up another one? All right, guys, until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.